Good morning and welcome to the 41 Minutes News. Stay with us throughout this edition because we have the most interesting news. Today is 17th of April and my name is Nadia Tapia.
And my name is Gustavo Calderon. Today we are going to talk about some weird things that are happening these last 2 weeks.
People with red skin and extremely unscared behavior with other peoples are the theme of this news. Nobody can walk in a safe place. A strange virus has been spreading through the city of Santiago, and it does not seem that it will stop.
This strange virus can cause fever, stomach pain, seizures, and abnormal behavior, something that some experts who are studying these cases have named as a virus type zombie.
Next, we will talk with an expert in a strange disease at the University of Chile, who will give us instructions on how to prevent this serious disease.
Good morning to everyone. Well, this thing is very rare and strange, but the most important is prevent this illness with washing your hands every hour, cooking everything you eat, do not leave home after 7 p.m., wear dark clothes, and avoid getting hurt with germs. If you are pregnant and you become infected, you must be in the obligation to kill your blessing. Then you must eat your placenta and go to the bathroom to defecate.
Well, a complicated and strange form for this situation for the people of Santiago. To pass to another news, a man of Maipú was murdered for his dog. A kid falls out of an airplane and Marilyn Monroe revived.
Now we will go to commercials for a few minutes and we are back with the news of the city.